or don't know me, like before Wake Up Now, I wasn't on the greatest path ever. I was actually going on a down spiral real fast. Until after Wake Up Now came, I've had so many positive people that motivated me and pushing me, kicking the negativity, literally kicking the negativity out of me, and pushing me to doing the things that I really wanted to do in life. And so, I'm just saying I'm really excited about this month and the crazy months that are going to come, because the team that we have here in this city is beyond amazing, guys. I literally could not have asked for a better team in this city, because we do not let anybody fail in this business. It is a big team effort based business, guys. In order for us to succeed, y'all have to succeed first. That's what I love about this company the most, is that it is a big team based effort to become successful. Teamwork makes the dream work, guys, straight up. I'm going to say that again. Teamwork makes the dream work, and there's no doubt about that. What we do in our company is simply just help people get out of debt, stay out of debt, and be financially free. We got to do something different to get something different every single time. And with Wake Up Now, we're helping people change their lives for the better. Think about it. It's called Wake Up Now for a reason, right? Waking up to a better lifestyle, waking up to a better way of living life. And when you come onto this, guys, and I know the whole team here can vouch for this, is when you come onto this, before anybody believes in you, is that you have to believe in yourself, and then you have to believe that you can do this and you can change people's lives for the better as well. Because if you can accept a temporarily loss, I say temporarily, the loss of social self-esteem from ignorant people, there's without a doubt that you will become successful. And I promise y'all that. And last night, because I actually was putting this speech up together, last night I was up pretty late, and I was looking up on YouTube some quotes that would probably kind of pertain to what we do in Wake Up Now. And I came across one by Will Smith, and he said, and I quote, I want my life and I want my work, I want all of this to mean something. And if you're not working to help make someone's life better, then honestly you're wasting your time, because your life will become better by making other lives better. So I'll leave you with this, guys. Our deepest fear isn't that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond imagine. It is our light, not our darkness, that frightens us. And we are all meant to shine, guys. Not just some of us, but all of us. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously let others do the same. And as we are liberated from our own fears, our presence automatically liberates others. Guys, I just want to say thank y'all very much for coming out here. I want to intro one out right now. This girl right here is literally the true meaning of a lady boss. She's literally been in this for only 3 weeks, guys, and already hit the F3 ranking of $600 a month. So would y'all please give a round of applause, and please welcome Miss Alex Trevino.
Okay, he killed that. Y'all have a great leader here in Corpus. Y'all really are going to go places with these people. I'm so excited to be here, guys. Y'all don't know how much it means, to me, to this program, to this world, everything for y'all to be here today. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Goliad, Texas. I moved out of Goliad 2 years ago to Katy because there's no opportunity in the country. You know what I mean? It's hard to get out of the country when you're so used to living a certain way. You marry someone on the oil rig, and you be a stay-at-home mom, you get pregnant, you're married, you anything, you live. It's just the way we live in the country there's so much more. So I got out, and I was blessed with this opportunity. Our son's good friend, which is my really good friend Kelly, she came over one day to my best friend's house, and I was literally sleeping. Literally knocked out cold on my best friend's bed, and she was trying to convince my best friend, another girl that I know, to get on Wake Up Now. In 30 minutes of me knowing about it, I woke up and her telling me about it, I joined. I was like, yes, man, this is it. This is gonna do so many things.